Okay, so Joe, it's just through here. Come on.
Look at this.
Joe. Joe! What's going on? Come on!
The smell of baking. I'm a really good baker. There you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Ella. Julie says hello.
Hello, Julie. Donald, when can we start baking?
Well, we first have to wash our hands.
I knew that. We have to wash our hands.
Let's love sign. Wash. Wash. You sign. Wash. Good. Wash.
What is he like?
Now can we start baking?
No, Joe, I don't have any flour.
Yes, my first delivery. Wait here. Flowers.
Joe, that is not the flour I need. I need this kind of flour. And I need more of this kind of flour. Come on!
Flour.
Thank you, Joe. I guess this'll do. Okay, Julie, now we're ready to make some scones.
Let's love sign. Make. Make. You sign. Make. Good. Make.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe? We need butter.
My second delivery. Wait here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some? All in. Mix and mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
Wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat.
Let's love sign. Eat. Eat. You sign. Eat. Good. Eat.
We have our scone dough all ready to go. So our next job, and Joe, you need to listen carefully too, okay?
Yes.
The next job is to roll out the scone dough, and then we're going to use a cutter to cut out our different little scones. Good idea. Joe, do you think you can help us?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Julie, what do you think? You will do it together? Okay, let's give it a go. Here we go. Okay, give it a big roll.
I'd give it a like that as well.
Just
Yeah,
the same, okay.
I would do the same.
Right, thanks, Joe. Thanks very much. I don't know, does he think he knows what he's doing? Okay, and...
Don't
Yeah?
cut that now.
Just this bit, Joe?
Yeah.
Thanks, okay, thanks, Joe. Okay, right, I'll give that a good little dig, and there we go. And now, once we have our scones, we need a tray, Joe. Do you have a tray for me?
Yes, Donald, I have a tray for you.
Ah, perfect. Okay, we'll pop these on.
I made a lovely scone.
Yeah, Joe, don't eat it. Not yet, not yet. We have to cook it first.
All right.
Okay. Now, before they go in the oven, I want you to make sure to brush them with a little bit of milk and an egg. Now, I have a big brush. Julie, look at this. Do you see the brush? This is a brush, and we're going to use this to brush our scones. So will you help us? Let's help it. What do you think, Julie? These are now ready to go into the oven for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? But I'm hungry now.
Well, Joe, you're just going to have to wait.
Oh, fine.
Sorry. He's going to have a bit of patience.